Hi, good morning. This is Vijay, and today's patient they are from Bangalore, husband and wife, and he is having L4, L5 compression, almost 50%. And from last how many years he is suffering?
1.5 years.
1.5 years he is suffering from back pain, and she is suffering from trapezius and neck pain. So we are going to give him a fistula matatita treatment. Hope for the best. Wish me. Thank you. Just take this cool. Sit. Okay. Just relax your body, huh? Don't strain. Enjoy the treatment.
It does very much.
No pain. No pain.
That's okay.
Wajal shoulder people are having.
No matter what, I always try to stay in comedy mode only. That is how I play with my friends.
Where you are bit having misaligned, there you get the pop sound.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Skip it up. Keep it up. Yes. Some people are chasing pop sound. I didn't got pop from it. No. Misaligned men only get the pop sound.
Why is he always get it in fingers?
This is very small muscles. Finger is very small joint. So whenever we pull, whenever we twist anything, suddenly it moves. These are the big muscles and big joints. You can't misalign easily. That is the reason every half hour if you work again. Now I did this. Certain if you go to for any kind of thrust, you won't get any
Okay.
thrust now. Align. When you take, when you twist anything, this kind of thing. But it doesn't happen in big joints, big muscles. This is for your just motion. Headache, eye soreness. Just relax. Your neck is perfect. Otherwise, sometimes like papra, your neck is perfect. Full range of motion. Full relax. Yes. Okay. Front up. Easy. Front up. Relax. Easy. Done. Keep your hands. Relax. Relax. Very relax. 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 Almost this portion is perfect. This portion is
I hit my elbow.
oh, it's right one. Right one is maybe this.
Okay.
Yes. Sit. almost from this ranges
Here.
here. Now half portion is almost done. Check. Only half portion. Check. Any stiffness, any tightness anywhere in neck or anything. Please lie down. This is for also a healthy man. Some people take Ayurveda once in a twice in a year for betterment of their future life.
Okay.
So this is also for good for them. If you take 3 to 6 months, okay. Turn this. Come little forward. Okay, stop. Now we are going for the situation. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just relax. Yeah. Just relax it. Turn it up. Turn this way.
The body is in good condition. Very flexible.
Like
I am
people
very
doing
flexible.
like people doing yoga. Your body is like that. It's very perfect.
I have done even yoga in meditation.
Oh,
That is
yes.
also right.
Ah. Hold. Straight. Clear. Just relax. Pretty clear.
This for many years it is.
It's not growing. Within how many years it grown up like this?
Some 5-6 years.
5-6 years. So it's a malignant, huh? Try to remove it. Yeah. Calm that side. अम्मा में अरे चुच्चा में बोलेगा अगर पेन हो से मारी take long breath. Release. Take long breath again. Yes, release. Release, release. Take long breath. Release. Sharan, are you there?
Yeah, I'm very much.
Painful, I know. Painful it is. Okay. Take the language. Believe. Okay, turn back. Little up. Just hold your knees. Lift the butt. Okay. Okay. Legs straight. Just keep your hand on this. Just take a long breath. Release. One more time. Release. Hallelujah. Cut, 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 cut. Just do this.
You're a Protestant Christian?
No, I'm a Morton.
Okay.
2 minutes rest. We'll go to heaven and ring the bell and come back. Just try to relax the body. Okay? Try to relax the
Now
body.
I am remembering the old English song.
You are the only person who started singing. Otherwise, most of the people. You take minimum 3 seconds. And continue 2 to 3 months exercise.
Yeah.
100% I guarantee you this problem will be solved. That is my faith.
Whatever exercise you teach, I do it for my entire life because
That is very good.
I'm
It
fond
will
of
never come again.
exercise.
As you get older, now I'm not
No,
older.
sir, I'm just 43.
No. As you get older,
Okay.
as you get older, in future, the main thing people don't think that what is today's condition of my body. Once upon a time I was straight athlete.
Huh. Your body shows that.
Almost year I think 2 years before
Huh.
I can't run even 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers right now.
Huh.
Once I tried.
Okay, about the practice.
Main thing, unless because of age or practice,
Practice only, sir. I can show you one video wherein one 86-year-old guy,
Yeah.
he does mountaineering.
Yeah.
He does 20 kilometers of cycling every day. He has run 60 odd half marathons at 86. Even today he does all those just flexible.
Your body is very flexible and very perfect. Daily I treat lots of patients. Yesterday I was not there, yesterday I was not there, 5 minutes a day to reach. Yes, when I touch the body, I get what the person is doing. Now, you come.
I'm done.
No, no, no. This special things. Never wake up front. Turn this side or back. Second thing, your condition is now just like newborn baby. If we won't go for mass cervical, if we won't go for that, then no way. You done that. See nothing. So your body can like a newborn baby. So 3 days maximum rest with normal work. No physical work, no strain, no jumping, no nothing. Otherwise, it will get again listen. Okay? 2 weeks, no meat, fish,
I'm Brahmin,
and
vegetarian.
that's good. Only vegetarian and avoid milk product.
Okay.
Milk product, curd, ice cream, chocolate, tea, coffee. And no liquor, no smoking. 2 weeks. Reason is, behind reason is, smoking is having nicotine. So when I pulled your neck, brain and all the nerves of your spinal cord become suddenly active. And just like a hose pipe, clean. Your body rebooted like a computer. That's why sometimes for second week, what happened? We don't understand. If you take negative, again the small nerves again. So try to avoid 2 weeks. Especially. And never go down like this. 2 weeks. If you there is any emergency, if thing is here, don't think like this. Turn side and never take weight and don't twist. It increases the nerve. 2 weeks especially. Now, main thing, what exercise you have to do? Pillow with your buttocks. This is your upper. What you have to do? Release your leg. Bring your hand back. You have to lay down every night 10 minutes.
In this position.
This position.
Okay.
1 week, after 1 week, 20 minutes. After 1 week, 30 minutes. And last is 40 minutes.
Okay.
So you have to lay down like this, 40 minutes. How many times you can do? So what this done, this portion what we can do benefit, your vertebra pull like this and gap release. Nucleus pulposus sleep automatically get this. And I twisted, you got the problem. So it's in correct position. And you are having inflammation right now, you are getting the pain. So it will subside, minimum it will take 3 to 5 days. Okay. So 2 weeks is very precious. If you help, this is your condition before sleeping. Tell them, keep the pillow, take rest, then remove the pillow and sleep. And your exercise, supposing you turn back, just lift your leg without bending. One by one.
യുഗാസനിലെ പിന്നെ ഇച്ചിരി മുമ്പോട്ട് SSM ജംഗ്ഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ് ലേശം SSM
Right.
പത്രാവത്തിൽ വന്ന് അവിടെ ആ വികാസ് അവിടെ ഒരു 50 കൂടുതൽ
This is for
ജംഗ്ഷൻ
special.
കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ലേശം മുമ്പോട്ട് വരുമ്പോൾ
Keep your hands, both the hands here.
അതേ കക്ഷിയാ ഇപ്പം കഴിഞ്ഞ
And try to lift your chest up. ഫ്രിഡ്ജിലാണോ വലിയ ഫ്രിഡ്ജ് വേണ്ടിയോ അതിലേക്കാണോ 6 എങ്ങനെ അവൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് പോയാൽ 8 easy. So this exercise must be and procedure is first week 10 10 second week 15 third week 20 and last is 24 not 25 last is 20. When you reach 24 next after exercise you are not having any strain that you are 100%. So you must reach. So this is the 1 month period. Please. Done, wake up and check. നമുക്കുള്ള പഞ്ചുതാ എത്രയാ 50,000 ഇത് ഇരുപത് പക്ഷെ ഒരു കാര്യമുണ്ട് ഇത്രയും വലിയ ചുറ്റാനും ചാർജ്
Walking, I don't have any problem. Standing is my issue.
ആ ലെവലിൽ തന്നെ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ അതിനകത്ത് അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കും almost 20%. In one sitting, the body is very flexible. One sitting, just due to flexibility, possibility is there. If somebody is having tight muscles, one step, same that will remain. Yoga teachers
I have a good yoga teacher here.
No. Yoga, the people who are doing yoga, their muscle is very flexible. That is very flexible. So because they go beyond the range, she said that good yoga. At least you have back pain. So that exercise strength of muscles. Avoid to stretch out the muscles.
Done that for almost 1 year continuously. This is the same exercise doctor.
Without alignment thinking. Now we align. Now we can do it.
By this time I would have, this pain would have started, but right now, no pain. I can stand only for this much time.
I am also a human being like I am not a god. So I might just not quite be able to do this. No doubt you will get better weight. Next month we are in Bangalore. Not satisfied, please come again. I will give you a because I just did my results. Now I will see the results. Feeling a little better, not saying 100%. Essentially, okay. If you are feeling 70%, that is not good.
I'm really feeling it. I don't lie usually. Just to please people, it is not good.